Last night, in the class I teach at night, I showed my students how to begin sentences with never or not once to make the negative. In this lesson, I'll show you how to do the same and try some other ways to make sentences negative at the beginning of the sentence. I have not done that. This verb is the main verb. Here's the helping verb, and then here's not. I have not done that. Instead of not, it is possible to use never here. I have never done that. Or you could put never at the beginning of the sentence and say, never have I done that. This makes the negative much stronger than in a sentence that uses never between the helping verb and the main verb. You could also use not once. Not once have I done that. The meanings for all of these sentences are the same, but these are stronger than this original sentence. Let me show you some more examples. She has never helped us. Here's the helping verb, here is the main verb, and then here's never. To make the statement even stronger, put never at the beginning, and then the helping verb, and then the subject, and then the main verb, and then the object. Never has she helped us. This sounds very strong. This also sounds strong. This sounds like strong criticism. She has never helped us. This sounds even stronger, beginning with never. Never has she helped us. Or not once has she helped us. It is possible that you could put another word in place of never or not once if the person has provided some help, but not very much. You could put rarely. Rarely has she helped us. And you could use seldom. The level of diction for this word is pretty high, but it's a possibility. Seldom has she helped us. These two words, in terms of percentage, are low. Let's say somewhere between 1 to 2%. Rarely or seldom. And then, of course, never and not once would be 0. These kinds of sentences are useful when expressing unhappiness and when using a negative, as you see here. They didn't apologize. They didn't say they were sorry. We could begin with never, and then the helping verb would go here, never did, and then the subject goes here, and then here's the main verb. Apologize. Never did they apologize. Both sentences have the same meaning, but this one sounds stronger. And of course, you could replace never with not once. I think not once is a little stronger than never, but they're both very effective in expressing unhappiness something bad happened and a person says, this won't happen again, or this will never happen again. Both are promises for the future. If you begin with never, in this case, you would put again after never. Never again will this happen. Never again will this happen. You could not use not once here. It won't work. And putting will here, never will this happen again, sounds a little awkward. So the best way to do this is to put again after never. Never again. That's a very strong way to tell someone that something won't happen again. Never again. Then the helping verb, then this, or you could use it, and then the main verb, happen. I wasn't informed. This sentence is in the past tense and it's passive. This is the helping verb, and then here is the main verb in the form of a past participle. You could also replace not with never. That makes it a little bit stronger. Or you could begin with never. Never was I informed. Now it sounds much stronger. Starting with never puts emphasis on the situation. This is not a good situation, and the person who says this is unhappy. You could use not once here, although I think never is better. Or you could say something like at no time. This is another way of adding a negative at the beginning of the sentence. At no time was I informed. It has the same meaning as no one informed me. This is in the active voice. This is in the passive voice. This sentence is in the past tense. I could also start with at no time. At no time. And then put the helping verb for the past tense here. This is the past tense. It's in the active voice. At no time did anyone inform me. No one informed me, or at no time did anyone inform me. Or you could use never in place of at no time. Never did anyone inform me. I have heard some of my more advanced students say something like this when they try to put the negative at the beginning of a sentence. Never, I have said that. Do you see the mistake? If you put never here, then have needs to go here. So never have I said that. Never have I said that. Not once she called me. Do you see the mistake in this sentence? This is in the past tense. So after not once, we would need to put the helping verb here. Not once did, and then the subject, and then the main verb, and then me. Not once did she call me. So here's the mistake. Not once she called me, and then here's the way to fix it. Put the helping verb after not once, and then the subject, and then the main verb is in the simple form, and then the object, the person. I hope this video has helped you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.